Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Amazon My Trending Niches. Today's special video is all about what is trending right now at the moment. This niche is one of the popular niche during this month. So especially if you are in lower tiers on Amazon, this might be a way to get out of those tiers if you have the right design. These are the some top trending designs is here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I keep scrolling like dead. Awesome like my daughter. So take a hint. Father's Day design is trending right now. Also grandpa. It's again a trending design. Try to recreate with different types of hobbies like garden, fishing. And we keep scrolling. I seen one here. Best grandpa viper. Golfing. Look at the BSR. Like 16,000. Promoted to grandpa. This is for they become grandpa in 2024. Look at the BSR too. 16,000. So try to create something in cross niche. While I am scrolling, you can see text-based design is doing so well. So don't go overboard with you need some fancy graphics. If they want text-based design, give them what they want. And it's a lot easier to make text-based designs. And last third niche is for you is like the fathers who don't have children but they have a pets like dog. Best dog dead ever. Look at the BSR 11,000. This is the funny one like 7,000 BSR. Try to create for people who don't have a children but they have a pets. Also, this is the funny one. Dog dead ever. Try to recreate with something retro style. And if you are still watching till the end, I have a special niche for you. The graduation. Yes, these are the trending too. I crushed kindergarten, preschool, dinosaur. Check out this one. 3rd grade. And look the BSR. 6,000, 10,000, 11,000. Even for college student. 13,000. Graduation is trending right now. So yeah, there is also some potential right here. If you don't wanna create the Father's Day design, you can definitely get some sales from here. Look at this, 26,000. I also found another sub niche for Father's Day. Is here. Like stepdad. Look at this design. Just normal text-based design. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily new trending niches finds. I will gonna make videos more valuable day by day. Subscribe and we meet again.